Good morning, my name is Andrew. These are the instructions for the replacement of the existing angle supports on the universal gallery display. Remove all the flooring samples and wire racks on the unit. This unit has had all the wire racks and displays removed. Install the 3 cam housings under the angle support replacement. This will be your angle support replacement. The cams will be pounded into these holes with the opening of the cam facing the outside of the angle. Simply tap them in. Remove the back support by removing the 8 screws that attach it to the lower and upper backs. Unfasten the top cam attaching the angle support to the upper back. Remove the upper back. Keep the lower back in place. Set that aside. Unfasten the remaining cams and remove angled support. Install angled support replacement. Align cam housings and the angled support replacement with the cam plates on the base and lower back. Fasten the cams. Make sure they are properly engaged. Be sure cam housing is seated completely under the cam plate before fastening. A 180-degree rotation of the cam is required to properly fasten the cam. Please view the Vanguard Tops YouTube video, PR Display Cam Instructions. Set the upper back onto the lower back. Align cam housing on the angled support replacement to the cam plate on the upper back. Fasten the cams. Make sure they are properly engaged. Be sure cam housing is seated completely onto the cam connector before fastening. To fasten, rotate cam 180 degrees. View the Vanguard Tops YouTube video PR cam display instructions. Replace back support with gate screws. The next step is to install the 10 L brackets. View the Vanguard Tops YouTube video, PR display reinforcement instructions. This concludes our video on the installation of the retrofit angled support bracket.